Hello Vogue, I'm Úrsula Corberó and I'm very excited to share with you today my skincare routine and makeup routine. So I'm gonna put on this cutie. Look at this. I'm gonna start with this gouache. I have very sensitive skin. I can't use conventional scrubs, but this was my salvation because it's like a scrub but without the grains. I started taking care of my skin when I was very young. I was like, I don't know, maybe 14 years old. Over the years, I learned that, it's not just about using the same products all the time. For example, I live in Madrid, which is a very dry city. And I can't use the same products here than, I don't know, in my hometown, Barcelona, for example, which is super humid. I'm gonna apply now this tonic. I don't know how to say it in English. I say eye pads, but it's not eye pads. It's like eye masks or something like that. From Chanel. What's up? Next step, serum. I love this one because it's very watery and silky and it smells amazing. I like to make sure that I use plenty of product because otherwise I feel like I'm pulling on it like this and I don't like that. Eye cream. Okay, I have these two moisturizers. I don't really know the difference between them. I'm gonna use this one just because. Let's start with the funniest part, which is the makeup. I need to curl my lashes. Look at this, baby. What a huge difference. My boyfriend freaks out when I do this. But now, look at these beautiful lashes. So now I'm gonna do my obsession, which is my eyebrows. I'm gonna start with this pencil. I'm gonna start with this primer. So I apply like this. As you can see, I love to do everything with my fingers. So I'm aware about how many products I'm using. I'm gonna use a second primer. Why not? From Chanel, like this. Okay, I have a love and hate relationship with foundation. I don't really like it. I apply just a little bit. Two different foundations. I'm gonna mix them. Drop, drop. I like it. I remember I started doing my makeup when I was 16 years old. I spent a lot of time doing my makeup. I really enjoyed it. So much so, but that by the time I was done, I didn't feel like going out anymore. So I would ask my mom to do a whole photo shoot and then I would remove my makeup and I go to bed. That was me. What a party girl with 16 years old, right? I'm gonna apply these two concealers. They are different tones. Wow. Sexy mama. I forgot to moisturize a little bit my beautiful lips. All right, I'm gonna do something with pink and cherry tones. And then I have these other cutie. These ones. My beauty icons, I would say. Rachel Weisz. I think she's super elegant. And Natalie Portman as well. Nice. I don't know what I do this, but it looks professional, right? I need to blend it. I'm gonna use a lighter shadow, very gold. I'm going to add this amazing shadow. Let me show you, is this one. It's blue and pink and gold at the same time. Fake eyeliner with the same shadow, the darker one. I'm gonna use this one. More detail with this one. I'm going to clean. Under eyes with this and the same palette. And I'm gonna add this one again. A little bit like this. The eyeshadow is done. I'm gonna curl my lashes again. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Madre mía, esto es una cosa. Change a little bit the direction. I like them when they go this way, not this way. Contouring. I'm gonna do something with this Stila. My favorite product ever. It's this blush, like this, in apples. Oh, wow. Let's do the lips. I'm gonna use this lip pencil from MAC. I'm gonna go outside the edge so my lips look nice and bigger. Lipstick from Fenty. Look at this. You like it, huh? I really like it. I bought this in Japan. It was like €1. It's cute, right? I'm going to use this amazing highlighter. I'm gonna play it with this little. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna do something with my. Sorry? What? Okay, this is a disaster. I really need to fix this. I will apply this product from Balmain. Some volume. This is from Shuemura. I'm gonna do something with the same thinner eyebrow pencil. I'm going to remark, can you say that? My moles. Sabash. Wild, natural, but glowy, amazing, gorgeous, badass. Okay guys, I think I'm done. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And see you next time. Thank you.